Quiet.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hinds County and central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Byram, Jackson, Clinton, south central Madison County and central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Ridgeland, Madison, Rankin County and central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Richland, Pearl, Flowood, Brandon, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Severe thunderstorm warnings everywhere. Tornado warning.
National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing baseball-sized hail.
Baseball-sized hail. That's ridiculous.
Miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles
Tornado watch in effect.
moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Clinton by 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Jackson, Ridgeland, Byram, and Madison by 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pearl, Flowood, and Richland by 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Monterey.
Look, there's nothing there, and then you just see the explosion.
Winds of 70 miles per hour can seriously damage mobile homes and outbuildings and cause roof damage to well-built homes and structures. Numerous downed trees may occur, possibly resulting in serious injury and property damage. This storm has a history of producing damaging baseball-sized hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Hail of tennis ball-sized or larger causes extensive damage to cars and buildings, including possibly breaking out windows. People caught out of doors could suffer serious injury. Move into a well-constructed...
Now let's go to where the cells are talking about.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Wait until you guys see these cells.
Louisiana and Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
2 massive supercells.
4:45 p.m. Central
Look at the hail cores.
following counties in Mississippi.
Let's get off the watch.
And Rankin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Hinds, southern Leak, southeastern Madison, northern Rankin, and northern Scott counties. Golf ball-sized hail has been reported by emergency management in the town of Leak in southern Leak County.
Big hail cores.
$1.5-sized hail has been reported in the city of Madison north towards Gluckstadt. These areas of hail will move east towards the reservoirs in Walnut Grove respectively. At 3:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-sized hail.
Ping pong.
Storms were located along the line extending from Madden to Ludlow to Madison, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fannin and Pisgah by 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Sebastopol by 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Leesburg, Fortville, and Harperville by 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, French, Hillsborough, and Steele by 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Morton by 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Winds of 60 miles per hour can bring down trees, possibly resulting in injury and property damage. Roofs of mobile homes and outbuildings can be damaged, and minor roof damage to well-built homes and structures could occur. The hail being produced by the severe thunderstorm will likely damage cars and roofs. People who are out of doors should move inside a structure immediately. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday evening for southeast Arkansas and northeast Louisiana and northern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties and Scott. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in Madison and extreme northeastern Warren counties. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing baseball-sized hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Brownsville.
It's got rotation right here. Cell's got rotation. See it. There's a tornado watch out. It's got very tall tops. There's a tornado watch out for this area. Right now we got 2 tornado warnings to talk about along a squall line.
This is a particularly dangerous storm. Hail of tennis
Couplets right there.
causes extensive damage to cars and buildings, including possibly breaking out windows. People caught out of doors could suffer serious injury. Move into a
Massive severe weather outbreak. It's been a while since I've seen something like this.
thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday evening for northeast Louisiana and Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Hines, Madison, Warren, and Yazoo. Severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time and now includes the following counties in Mississippi: Capaya, Lawrence, Simpson, and Smith. Remember, the severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Issaquah County is canceled.
Isolated cell down here. No rotation. That's in southern Alabama. Yes.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for western Hines and central Warren counties. At 3:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball size.
Nope, station just went down. Station just went down. That's because Jackson's a little far. They might have shut the... There it goes, it's back up.
This storm was located near Bovine on moving east at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Flowers and Youngton by 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Edwards by 4 p.m. Central.
Extremely dangerous cells.
60 miles per hour can bring down trees, possibly resulting in injury and property damage. Roofs of mobile homes and outbuildings can be damaged, and minor roof damage to well-built homes and structures can occur. The hail being produced by the severe thunderstorm will likely damage cars and roofs. People who are out of doors should move inside a structure immediately. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday evening for northeast Louisiana and Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Hines and Warren. Severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time and now includes the following counties in Mississippi: Capaya, Lawrence, Simpson, and Smith. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time and now includes the following counties in Mississippi: Capaya, Lawrence.
These are some extremely nasty cells. The station's going in and out right now because there's a strong winds going through the station. There's a little blue line on this radar right here. It's a gust front from all these cells developing. Watch it move. You can see it right there. It's a blue line. It starts right around here. See it? That's strong wind that's coming through the station right now.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Madison Parish, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Capaya, Hines, Issaquah, Lawrence, Lead.
There we go, another EAS.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Rankin County in central Mississippi, southern Scott County in central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Morden, Forest, extreme southwestern Kemper County in east central Mississippi, southern Neshoba County in east central Mississippi, Newton County in east central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Prospect, Newton, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists located near Prospect, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Dixon and Conehatta by 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Lawrence and Roberts by 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Stratton, Neshoba, and Newton by 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Decatur by 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Little Rock and House by 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, winds of 60 miles per hour.
TVS cell detected. Moderate mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
Thunderstorm will likely damage cars and roofs. People who are out of doors should move inside a structure immediately. This storm has a history of producing large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm
73 mile per hour winds, 3-inch hail, 2.5-inch hail, 1.75-inch hail, 1.5-inch hail, 1.25-inch hail. This is ridiculous. Huge storms right now.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Madison Parish, Louisiana, and a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Heights, south central Madison and Rankin counties. At 3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing baseball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was
God, these storms are
moving southeast at 45 miles
ridiculous.
per hour.
4 monster cells.
4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ridgeland, Madison, and Byram by 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flowood, Cooland, Richland by 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Monterey and Florence by 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brandon by 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Winds of 70 miles per hour can seriously damage mobile homes and outbuildings and cause roof damage to well-built homes and structures. Numerous downed trees may occur, possibly resulting in serious injury and property damage. This is a particularly dangerous
Moderate mesocell detected. Hail detected.
Causes extensive damage to cars and buildings, including possibly breaking out windows. People caught out of doors could suffer serious injury. Move into a well-constructed...
There was nothing there a little while ago. So this line really just came in and blew up.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect.
It's got a right turn to it, so it might be rotating.
For northeast Louisiana and Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Hinds, Madison, and Rankin. Severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Madison Parish, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Kaplaya, Hinds, Issaquena, Lawrence, Reed, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, Warren, and Yazoo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Madison Parish, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Kaplaya, Hinds, Issaquena,
Another monster cell in Alabama.
Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, Warren, and Yazoo. Now let's check on your local forecast.
Moderate mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
Some thunderstorms may be severe. West winds around 10 miles an hour. The chance of rain 50%. Tonight, a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Heights, south central metropolitan area weather conditions at 4 p.m. At Huntsville International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 57 degrees. The dew point was 54, making the relative... The pressure was 29.83 inches and rising. Rainfall in the last hour was 0.18 inches. At the University of Alabama in Huntsville, the temperature was 56 degrees. The dew point was 52, making the relative humidity 88%. Winds were south at 5 miles an hour. In Meridianville, rain was falling. The temperature was 55 degrees. The dew point was 50, making the relative humidity 82%. Winds were southwest at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.85 inches and rising. Rainfall in the last hour was 0.1. Severe thunderstorm watch number 52 has been canceled for the following counties in Alabama: Limestone, Madison, and Morgan, and Lincoln County, Tennessee. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm watch number 52 has been canceled for the following counties in Alabama: Limestone, Madison, and Morgan, and Lincoln County, Tennessee. The metropolitan area weather conditions at 4 p.m. At Huntsville International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 50. Severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Marshall. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 52 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Marshall.
Wow.
The metropolitan area weather conditions at 4 p.m. At Huntsville International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 57 degrees. The dew point was 54, making the relative humidity 89%. Winds were southwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure
Strong.
was 29.83
Mesocell detected.
inches and
Severe
rising.
hail detected.
Rainfall in
Hail
the last
detected.
hour was 0.18 inches. At the University of Alabama in Huntsville, the temperature was 56 degrees. The dew point was 52, making the relative humidity 88%. Winds were south at 5 miles an hour. In Meridianville, rain was falling. The temperature was 55 degrees. The dew point was 50, making the relative humidity 82%. Winds were southwest at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.85 inches and rising.
Moderate.
Rainfall
Mesocell
in the last
detected.
hour was
Severe hail
0.17
detected.
inches.
Hail
At
detected.
Pryor Field near Decatur, light rain was falling. At 5:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Dalton to 12 miles north of White to 6 miles southwest of Emerson, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Chatsworth, Eaton, Waleska, Talking Rock, Woodstock, Kenton, Holly Springs, Jasper, Buffington, Nelson, Ballground, LJ, East LJ, Free Home, Dawsonville, Cumming, and Delaware. These storms have a history of producing destructive winds with numerous reports of downed trees and power lines. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag PAWX. The National Weather Service of Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clayton County and north-central Georgia, Cobb County and north-central Georgia, northwestern DeKalb County and north-central Georgia, Douglas County and north-central Georgia, northwestern Fayette County and north-central Georgia, Fulton County and north-central Georgia, Carroll County and northwest Georgia, Haralson County and northwest Georgia, Paulding County and northwest Georgia, Polk County in northwest Georgia, northern Galena County in west central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40
TVSL detected. Strong. Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and destructive winds up to 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from
Look at the hook on that. Oh, God.
5 miles per hour.
Starting to get a debris ball on that.
TVSL detected. Strong. Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
Douglasville, Powder Springs, Lithia Springs, Chattahoochee Hill Country, Kennesaw, Moscow, Marietta, Palmetto, Smyrna, Tyrone, Fairburn, Mountain Park, Union City, Roswell, Sandy Springs, East Point, College Park, Buckhead, Midtown, Atlanta, Hartsfield Jackson Airport, Dunwoody, Alpharetta, Higgsville, Grant Park Zoo, Atlanta, Chambly, Druid Hills, Doraville, Decatur, Avondale Estates, Clarkston and Tucker. Although current data does not indicate the existence of a tornado may quickly develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding,
Tornado warning cell. Large supercell here with the hook on it. Comes the hook down here. This tornado would be located right here in that debris ball. It's a pretty good rotation on radar. I think this one's going to do it. It's not the only supercell though. There's another one to its south right here. Two more to its north. There's a bow echo up here producing tornadoes. Go down the line. There are 20 severe thunderstorm warnings and 3 tornado warnings. You can see this bright blue up here. That's 60+ mph thunderstorm winds. This is a huge convective line of storms. It's that bright green right there, the base velocities. 70 to 80 mph winds probably coming through here. Golf ball sized hail and 60 mph winds with that cell. There's a lot of CAPE today. There's a lot of CAPE available, which is convective available potential energy. And when you have a lot of CAPE, that helps to produce a lot of these hailstorms. You need, I'm not saying that you need CAPE to produce hailstorms, but you get a lot more of them and a lot bigger hail when you have higher CAPE values. Like today we're up to around 2,500 CAPE. So that's pretty severe. These storms down in Mississippi have produced softball-sized hail already. And it just keeps building. This same cell has been going forever. It came out of Arkansas with the tornado warning, and then it just kept on going. It's traveled a long ways. Some more cells starting to build west.
Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
I'll put on the overview for you just to show where these watches are. Severe thunderstorm watches in the blue and tornado watch in the red. There it is, baseball. We've had several storms today produce baseball-sized hail, tennis ball-sized hail north of south of Georgia.
Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected. You can also tweet your report using #AWX. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday evening for northwestern Georgia.
Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KBC-80 has interrupted its normal weather programming. We will resume normal broadcasting once the threat is past. Visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm
haven't broadcasted this tornado warning yet.
North central Georgia, Dawson County in north central Georgia, southeastern Fannin County in north central Georgia, Forsyth County in north central Georgia, Gilmer County in north central Georgia, Lumsden County in north central Georgia, Pickens County in north central Georgia, eastern Bartow County in northwest Georgia, eastern Gordon County in northwest Georgia, southern Murray County in northwest Georgia, central Whitfield County in northwest Georgia until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Dalton to 12 miles north of White to 6 miles southwest of Emerson, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Chatsworth, Eaton, Waleska, Talking Rock, Woodstock.
TVS cell detected. Strong. Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
Dawsonville, coming in Dahlonega. These storms have a history of producing destructive winds with numerous reports of downed trees and power lines. Seek shelter now inside the street.
TVS cell detected. Strong. Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
Until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag GAWX. Tornado watch number 53 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb.
City of Atlanta was spared. Big hailstorm went just to the south of them, and they're right up here. But they got a big bow echo. Oh, a new tornado warning now. New tornado warning. There it is. There it is. Oh, shoot. That's a monster. Oh, God. This is a massive outbreak.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for northern Henry County in north central Georgia, Newton County in north central Georgia, southern Rockdale County in north central Georgia until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms.
Signal sucks right now. Probably because of the storms. Wow. This is a really bad storms right now.
If you cannot drive away from the tornado, get out of your vehicle and lie flat in a ditch as a last resort. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag GAWX. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday evening for northwestern Georgia. Tornado watch number 53 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Fulton, Henry, Newton, and Rockdale. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging
Severe hail detected.
and close to the
Hail
water.
detected.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
TVS cell detected. Strong.
6.
Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
At 6 p.m. in Atlanta,
6 supercells.
storm was reported.
Look at the couplet.
53.
Very strong rotation with this storm here. Heading towards the town of Gay. Ooh, look at that couplet. That's mean. There might be a tornado on the ground with this right now. Look at that cell. That is one nasty cell. Here comes a new EAS out. Severe thunderstorm warning for this cell right up here. Another nasty looking storm. There's so much CAPE available today, every storm's producing hail. Doesn't matter what it looks like on radar, it's producing hail.
Moderate mesocell detected. Hail detected.
Wow. Severe rotation with that cell. See if the new scan comes in as rotations. Oh, it's screwed up now, but see what baseball also looks like. There's that hook coming down right there.
Thunderstorms in the evening, then widespread showers and scattered thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe in the evening. Lows in the
The cell's starting to rotate. Golf ball size hail. Every storm. I mean, it's every storm that goes up.
Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tuesday, sunny with a chance of showers and scattered thunderstorms in the morning. Highs in the lower 60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid.
Atlanta, they're getting smacked by that bow echo right now. There's the damaging straight line winds right here. 60 mile per hour wind gusts right here. There's the blue.
Fulton County in north central Georgia, northwest central Georgia, southern county in northwest Georgia, northern Paulding County in northwest Georgia, northeastern Polk County in northwest Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunder. The tornado warning for northeastern Fulton, northwestern Gwinnett, western Forsyth, northwestern Top, southern Cherokee, southern Bartow, northern Polk. This is canceled. The road in the line of storms. Expected to produce a tornado. Wind 60 miles per hour. Possible. See wind damage, hail, flooding. Wait until has passed, and then call the National Weather Service at 1-866-734-4466. No, report using hashtag GWX. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday evening for northwestern Georgia. The National Weather Service.
Storms around here are dissipating up here in northern Georgia, southern Tennessee, and South Carolina, and North Carolina, because it's cold around here. I mean, temperatures are in the upper 40s and low 50s around here. It's not warm enough to support these severe thunderstorms. So this line that was like that, you see how bright red that is? I mean, that's a very severe line. It starts to dissipate. It's falling apart now because it's only in the 40s and 30s on these mountain tops over here.
Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
It's too cold, so it's snowing around in North Carolina, so these storms are going to dissipate very quickly here in northern Georgia. But anywhere south of that line, south of Atlanta, anywhere south of Atlanta, you guys are going to be in a threat zone for the rest of the evening. Because it's in the 80s, 70s, and 80s. Alright, new severe thunderstorm came out. Right there. Golf ball size hail. This is the last image I'm going to save today. I saved a lot.
The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern
The hook on this cell. Look at that. See how this storm hooks around? Tornado warning on it. It's a very classic supercell right there. Another one to its south. Right there. Another one. There's a tornado watch out for the region. Alright guys, we have a line of severe thunderstorms in Georgia. I've never seen this warning text from the National Weather Service. It says, severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and devastating winds approaching or exceeding 80 miles per hour. This isn't a life-threatening situation. I've never seen this before. This line of storms just continues. There's a big supercell in southern. I started showing this video, or this cell, in the beginning of my video. The beginning of my video, it was around 5 o'clock. It's 7:30, and this cell came out of southern Alabama, and it's made a right turn. And look at the hook around it. A nice-looking supercell there. No tornado warning because there's not much. All the erosion's been aloft with these.
cell detected. Moderate mesocell detected. Severe hail detected.
Another good hailstorm right there. There's the huge line here. I'll take off the tracks so you can see it better. There's another supercell right up here in Georgia. This is a huge line. 80. Look how bright the returns are on that. This is 80 mile per hour winds, as it said in the warning. Oh, that's sick. .80-mile-per-hour winds. .80-mile-per-hour winds with that supercell next to almost hitting on Sparta now. It has some strong rotation. .80-mile-per-hour winds. And those storms are heading right for my cousins down here in Hilton Head Island. They're about 150 miles, 200 miles to their north. The lines really start. Central Alabama, the line's really dying out now. There's actually 2 new cells strengthening right there, but the line in Alabama is really weakening there. No warnings in Alabama. We go back into Mississippi. The threat is built farther westward now.
Moderate mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
So some big storms here. Now building into Louisiana. Hattiesburg, where are you? This people got hit by a tornado.
Mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Is Hattiesburg in Hattiesburg is in Mississippi. Hattiesburg, you're out of the threat as of right now, but storms developing to your north. Here's Hattiesburg right here. It's a big hailer to your north. There's some more cells to your west. There's some scattered cells beginning to develop right out here now. These are the cells I were tracking in the very beginning of the video. at that. There's some refiring going on here. Cells trying to redevelop along the cold front right here. There's a cold front up there. This two of the monster supercells that came out of Arkansas earlier today. That were right there. They have traveled at least 200, 300 miles maybe. They started right up in central Arkansas right here, and they're all the way down and almost at the Gulf Coast now. So the long track supercells. This line in Alabama is actually strengthened. I think they'll see some more warnings come out very soon for them. And all these videos I put up of these storms they're not for rebroadcast for anybody.
TVS cell detected.
It's just a
Moderate
post.
mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.
It's just meant to post documentaries on these large-scale outbreaks across the United States.
TVS cell detected. Moderate mesocell detected. Severe hail detected. Hail detected.